Asakusa, Tokyo, offers an exceptional setting for a daytime street photography photo walk, especially when it comes to capturing candid moments of strangers. The area is a bustling blend of the old and new, with its traditional architecture, vibrant markets, and a steady flow of locals and tourists. The streets are filled with natural energy, providing countless opportunities to photograph people in their everyday activities. You can capture street vendors tending to their stalls, children excitedly exploring, or groups of friends laughing as they stroll through the busy streets. The sunlight in Asakusa enhances the textures of the surroundings, casting long shadows and highlighting colorful scenes, while the bustling crowds make for dynamic, spontaneous moments, whether it's a quiet moment of reflection outside a temple, a couple enjoying ice cream under the shade of a tree, or a rickshaw driver negotiating his way through the crowds. Asakusa offers a range of authentic and unposed subjects that make for compelling street photography. With its unique mix of old-world charm and modern vibrancy, Asakusa is an ideal location for photographers to capture the candid, raw beauty of daily life.
Tameda.